Hello, class. Do you remember the jobs we learned yesterday? Do you remember the jobs we learned yesterday? I will start. Cashier, cashier. Student 1, can you tell me one of the jobs we learned yesterday? Custodian, good job. Student 2, can you tell me one job we learned yesterday? Salesperson, good job. Student 3, can you tell me one job we learned yesterday? Can you tell me one job we learned yesterday? Mechanic, good job. Student 4, can you tell me one job we learned yesterday? Waiter, good job. There's one job that's missing. One job that's missing. What job is missing? Don't remember? Look in your textbook. Look in your textbook. Yeah, good job. It is receptionist. Receptionist is missing. Now, let's write down the matching job duties. Remember, job duties tell about what people do in different jobs at work. They tell what people do at work. I'll start. Cashier. A cashier counts money. A cashier counts money. Custodian. Custodian. What does a custodian do? What does a custodian do? Yeah, cleans buildings. Good job, student 2. How about salesperson? What does a salesperson do? Yeah, they sell clothes. A mechanic. Student 3, what does a mechanic do? What does a mechanic do? Yeah, they fix cars. No, waiter. Student 4, what does a waiter do? they serve food. Now, student 1. What does a receptionist do? What does a receptionist do? You don't remember? Everyone, can you tell me, what does a receptionist do? Yeah, they answer the phone. Now, can you repeat after me? Cashier. A cashier counts money. Custodian. A custodian cleans buildings. Receptionist. A receptionist answers the phone. Salesperson. A salesperson sells clothes. Mechanic. Mechanic. A mechanic fixes cars. Waiter. Waiter. A waiter serves food. Good job! Today, we will go over the job duties we learned yesterday and play a game. And at the end, you will be able to ask and answer questions using does and doesn't. Now, please open your textbook. Please open your textbook to page 100. Looks like this. Page 100. These are some yes/no questions with does. Let's look at the chart. Can you repeat after me? Does he sell clothes? Does he sell clothes? Yes, he does. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Doesn't. Good. No, he doesn't. Good job. Now, when we ask a yes/no question, does he sell clothes? Does she clean buildings? We use doesn't and does. We use doesn't when the answer is no. Can everybody? No. That's right, we use no, doesn't when the answer is no. When the answer is yes, we use does. Can everybody? Yes! Good job. Now, doesn't is the same as does not. Doesn't, does not. It's the same. But remember, We don't like long words. We like short words. Does not is a long word, and doesn't is short. Now, if the answer is no, do we use doesn't or does? This one, doesn't? Good job. The answer is yes. Do we use doesn't or does? Yeah, good job. We use does. The answer is yes. Now let's look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. What's his job? What's his job? Yeah, he's a salesperson. What's he selling? What is he selling? Yeah, this is a TV. TV. Does he serve food? Does he serve food? No. But no, he doesn't. Let's look at this picture. What's his job? What's his job? No, he's not a mechanic. Yeah, he's a custodian. A custodian. What does he have? Yeah, it's a box. Does he clean buildings? Yes, he does. Good job. Let's look at this picture. What's her job? What's her job? Yeah, she's a receptionist. What's this? It's a phone. Does she fix cars? Good job! You used the full sentence. Let's look at this picture. What's his job? Yeah, he's a salesperson. Are they both salespersons? Yeah, but what is he selling? Yeah, he's selling clothes. Does he answer the phone? Does he answer the phone? Good job. No, he doesn't. Let's look at this picture. What's her job? What's her job? Yeah, she's a custodian. She's a custodian. Does she clean buildings? Yeah. Yes, she does. Good job. Now, I'm going to give you a worksheet. You are going to work in pairs to ask and answer the questions. We need to find out what his job is. We need to find out what his job is. Now, this is very important to remember. Don't show your worksheet to your partner. Don't show your worksheet to your partner. Student 1 and 2. 3 and 4. You are going to work together. So let's look at the first question. There's a word missing. How do we ask questions about job duties? How do we ask questions about job duties? Yeah, it does. Good job. Can you write that in? Student 1, can you read the full question? Yeah, good job. Does he sell clothes? Let's look at the picture. What do you think? Does he sell clothes? Does he sell clothes? Yeah, I don't think so either. So when we want to say no, do we use does or doesn't? That's right. So no, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. Now, work with your partner to ask and answer the questions. Your goal is to fill in all the blanks. When you've finished, when you are done asking the questions, compare your answers. Show your answers to your partner to make sure they are right. Make sure they are correct. And after you correct any answers, go to the next part and write your guess. What do you think his job is? I will give you 5 minutes. Okay, good job, everybody. Can you help me fill in my worksheet? Student 2, what are the missing words? Can you tell me? Good job. Student 4, can you help me? Does he count money? Okay, so no, he doesn't. Student 1, does he answer the phone? Okay. Yes, he does. Does anyone want to share what they think his job is? What do you think his job is? Good job! Everyone was right. He's a receptionist. Now, I'm going to hand out a word bank. A word bank. And we are going to play a game. I'm going to hand a paper out with a job on it. Remember, don't show your paper to your partner. Don't show, keep it secret. And in pairs, one of you will act out the job and the other will ask questions about the job duties. Like this. Can you read? Good. Good job. Yeah. So this is how we ask questions. What's an example of a job duty? What's a job duty? Yeah, sell clothes. Let's read the full question. Do you sell clothes? Good job. So you will ask questions about a job duty. Can you give me one more? Yeah, fix cars. So, do you fix cars? So you will ask questions about job duties until the actor says yes. Then you will have to guess what their job is. So if they fix cars, they said yes, what do you ask? Yeah, you ask, are you a mechanic? And they will say yes, and you will swap. So remember to use your word bank to ask the questions. I will go first. Student 1, can you ask me a question? Remember, use this sentence. Do you No, I don't sell clothes. Student 2, can you ask me a question? Yes, I answer the phone. Student 3, can you ask me what I am? What am I? That's right, I am a receptionist. Good job, everyone. Now, work with your partner and play the game. Okay, we still have a few minutes. Does anyone want to come up and play as a group? Student 1? Okay. Here's your paper. Yay, good job, Student 2. You got the right answer. Do you want to come up, Student 2? Yeah? Okay. Here you go. Yeah, good job! Does anyone else want to come up and play? No? Okay. Have a good day!